Hello everyone, welcome to the midweek market update. Today 20th August, Nifty ends today at 25,050 and Bank Nifty at 55,698. See, before proceeding to our today's market update, let me explain the context here, what wave we are expecting. See, I have explained this wave counts in almost all videos. That's why I not shared the update in previous video. Anyway, see, this is the end of wave 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, and we expected a decline and the price declined. This price has been reached the wave 4 low. There are higher chances that it can be the end of the correction also. Okay, but my approach is this point can be end of the correction also. Okay, there are chances, but my primary idea is A, B and C. Okay, let the price crosses the B point with the impulse structure, then we can invalidate this view. And this is how we even identified this price action also. Whether completion of correction or completion of wave A, this is where the price should take support and the price needs to reverse to 25,200, right? So this is the chart, and we discuss on 9th August. I mean, almost a couple of weeks we are discussing these patterns during these slowdowns, and right from here the price, see, you can see the price has been reached today 25,050. Okay, and this is how we need to spot the reversals, and Elliottwave can be the best to spot the reversals. And in Bank Nifty, when the price was declining, we expected 54,900 as the important support, and if the price does not take support here, it can visit these points. But the Bank Nifty took support from the first point itself and started to move higher. Okay, so this is the price reversal, and even I shared on 12th August, right, a screenshot where 55,000 as the important support, and from 55,000 the price moved to 56,000. So this is what happened. Okay, and see, based on this assumption, A completed and we are in B or a new impulse, then we can decide that. Let us approach the market in a way that the market is approaching a resistance. See, the minimum expectation is 25,000. It has been done, but there are possibilities to reach 25,200, 150 to 200 levels. Even if it is complex, it can reach 25,350 also. So until 25,350, there are chances for complex wave B. Okay, and currently the price at resistance. Please remember, currently the price at resistance, whether this B completed here or not, that is one important question. And even if you look at the Bank Nifty, it is clear WXY. Whether Y completed here or just A of Y completed here. If it is A of Y, A, B and C may, this C of Y may proceed lower here. Okay. So all these levels we discussed in previous videos itself. Okay. So let us see how the price moves from here on. You can see only a 3 wave, or we completed the retracement level here. So both at resistance now. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty at resistance only. So in Nifty, there are chances that the price can drop or decline or move sideways. Okay, if the price wants to move higher, it can move sideways and may approach 25,155 to 25,200. Okay, this level can be reachable. Okay, but anyway, this is the important resistance now, and if any gap up or moves higher, we need to see 25,100. We already expected 25,070 to 100 as resistance, and currently it is trading there. If the price crosses this zone of 2500, it can reach 25,150 to 200 and it can start declining. Okay, and based on the decline only, we can assume whether the B completed or all can be 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, anyway, a start of a B or a wave 4 based on the corrective pattern, and currently price at resistance. That's the understanding now. We need to wait. Okay, we expected reversal, it has been done, and we expected a retracement level, it has been done. Now better wait for some confirmation, and currently at some sort of resistance. Whether it can be start of a B or just a sideways corrective pattern, we need to wait and see. That's the approach in Nifty and Bank Nifty, but Bank Nifty already at support. Okay, Nifty at resistance and Bank Nifty at support. That is where slight confusion, and we are getting only 3 wave as of now. It needs to move higher. Okay, so this is currently at support, and if the price declines, you can expect support between 24,400 to 55,400 to 55,250. Actually, price is not forming a impulsive decline, at the same time impulsive rise. So there are chances that the price can make one more high to 56,400 levels if the retracement not stops here. Currently at some sort of resistance in Nifty, so it can also form a sideways, or even it can decline one more leg and it may move higher. So what we need to see here is if the price starts to decline, okay, facing resistance, and if the price start to decline, we need to see how the decline develops, because we don't know whether it's a start of a B or 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so some sort of sideways to one more high is also possible, but if the decline is very fast, then it is an end of a B and start of a C. So similar approach here, Bank Nifty. If the price declines already at support, and if declines further, you can expect support between 55,400 to 55,250, and if the price takes support, the price can approach one more high like this. Okay, but at the same time, if the decline is fast and coming below this point 55,000, okay, 55,000, then already B ended, and the price is in start of wave C. Simply better wait for 1 or 2 days to get a clear view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, because Nifty at some sort of resistance, it can be a small pause or even start of a C. So let us wait and see the corrective pattern, then we can decide. So now let us move on to the commodities. First one, crude oil, same approach, nothing different here. See, when the price was trading here, we expected 62, and based on this price action, I said in my previous video that there are chance for one more low, and the one more low can come to 61.50, and you can see the price touches 61.5 and reversing now. For confirmation, the price needs to cross this high, and if it does, it can reach 66.7. So this is the approach. A bounce or new impulse may develop from here, and for that confirmation 64 needs to be crossed. Okay, so this is the update on crude oil and natural gas. See, again here also we identify the pattern, what pattern may develop, and in previous video also expected that, see, if the price does not crosses this high, okay, 3.17, it can form an ending diagonal or a channel like structure, and you can see the price is moving lower, and same levels not yet change anything, and if the price declines 2.87 to 2.77 is the support, and you can use this trend line also. Simple. Okay, so if the price comes here, this trend line can be the important support, and coming above this trend line and crossing the previous high can be the end of a correction, or significant bounce may come in the natural gas. As per our previous video, the price is moving exactly in our expectation, even within the pattern. That's the beauty of Elliottwave. See, in technical analysis, traders use the patterns to trade, but in Elliottwaves, if you understood it clearly, you can expect what pattern may form in the charts. Okay, so this is natural gas, same view, and gold and silver also not any view changed. I already expected this is consolidation, and hope you remember during this time, okay, April end or May starting, I said that gold is going to be a sideways, and you can see almost from April to August entirely sideways only. So the price needs to come out of this channel line, okay, or come below this channel line for further movement. Okay, and idea here is it can be move like this, and it can come lower. So that's the assumption. So for that, the price needs to come out of this range. Okay, we explained everything, and simply it's moving sideways, so no change in view in gold. And in silver, see, in silver, when the price was trading here, I said that, see, it can be 1, 2, 3 also, okay, or else A, B, C. To identify that only, I said the price minimum will come to 37.15 when it was trading around 37.96. Okay, the price has been reached 37.15 and slightly taking support. Now the approach is, we need to see whether the price is moving like this or not. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For that, we need to wait for confirmation. The price needs to cross above this high, 38. See why I am saying these probabilities, because the price all in wave 4 structures. Wave 4 structures are complicated structures, and even though we are getting these levels, step by step approach, that will be better. So for more upside, the price minimum needs to cross above this 38.25. Okay, now you better see how the price is developing here. Maybe like this. Even if it goes lower, then this is our previous expectation, original expectation, wave 4 can come lower. Okay, in previous video also I said that this is the minimum expectation, the price needs to come, and only below this level, okay, 36.67, we can expect the price can go lower to 35.5. But this is what I said in my previous video, please listen to it. So this is the minimum expectation to reach, and below this point we can expect a deeper correction. And please watch, this price should not have a very good bounce. If the price wants to come lower, it will not have a big bounce. If it is big bounce, then the price may move higher. So it can be slightly higher and again one more low. In this case, the price can reach 35.5 like this. Okay, so let us see price at important zone. We need to wait for confirmation. So Bitcoin, see, 1,24,300. If you are my learner, I have posted a new video. In that video, I have shared all the turning points, how I identified with reasons. Okay, and during that video, I have said that 1,24,000 is the resistance, and from 1,24,000, you are witnessing a $10,000 decline. Okay, previously I identified 1,12,000 as a support and 12,000 point upside, and 1,24,000 is resistance and 10,000 points decline. See, you need to catch the significant turning point, that's all. If you want to identify all these significant reversal points, you can register my course, Elliottwave course. These are very simple turning points. If you are my learner, you can understand, and you can also watch that video. It's very simple identifications, not at all complicated stuff. Very simply, you can identify 12,000 points here, 10,000 points here. I'm genuinely saying, for this course price, you cannot get this kind of information anywhere. Okay, see, I have heard from other learners who have learned from other Elliottwave analysts, even though they are paying 35,000, 50,000, even 1 lakh, they are showing only limited charts, 10 charts, just concept wise details. But in my course, I have used 400 plus charts and new video every month, lot of learnings. And from September, I'll be starting live doubt solving sessions. Probably for a year, 6 classes has been planned. So if you wish to learn Elliott waves, you can register my course. I give all the details in the description. So now coming to the Bitcoin, I have already said that this 1,24,000 can be the important resistance, and there are chances that it can start the deeper correction of the price can come to 74,000 also. But for that, we need to see how the price action develops. But for the coming days, this can be some sort of support and the bounce may come, and we need to check the retracement. And in my opinion, it can come lower again. If it is deeper, okay, for example, if this price is start of a bigger decline to 74,000, this decline will be very fast and deeper. Okay, or else it can move like this. Okay, first let us see price is getting support here. Okay, a bounce and support and a good bounce for 50% of 61 retracement, and it can go lower. So this is the assumption on Bitcoin. Ethereum also, see, we expected, see, the Ethereum is a very important chart, precise turning points in every level. We identified the precise points, 40% return. Okay, just one single trade, imagine the return and recovering the course fee. Okay, see, not only because why I'm saying is many people only considering about the fees, but I'm talking about the value you are receiving for your lifetime. Okay, for this fees, definitely the value you're receiving is much higher. I guarantee that. Okay, fine. And after this, the price has been started to decline. Okay, and see again, some sort of support may come from here, right from the same place, or maybe around 3950. Okay, but if the Bitcoin also start to go lower, Ethereum in some sort of formation, it can reach minimum 3726 to 3548. I remove this trend line. Okay, this is the support we identified. So it can take any pattern, sideways pattern, and it can reach 3726 to 3548. In long term, it can be a wave 4. Okay, like this. Right, and we need to see if it is extending. Yes, it can go higher, but for that the price definitely needs to cross above the previous high. Until that, the correction may develop. So this is the approach in Ethereum and Bitcoin, right? This is the update for this week, and if you want to register my course, I give all the details in the description. And most important point, all these levels and opinion are shared only for the purpose of learning the Elliott waves. Don't take it as any kind of buy or sell recommendations. Trade safe. We'll meet you at the weekend market update. Thank you.